Hello everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to upload your website. Your website could be HTML, CSS, Ruby, it doesn't matter. And this will be all entirely done for free. The services that we're going to use are, one, you're going to need to have a Gmail account. So as you can tell, I've already set mine up, supertoby5@gmail.com. We are also going to use a service called Cloud9. If you Google Cloud9, it will bring you to c9.io. This is what we want, and basically this is where we are going to build our website. Next, after that, is bitbucket.org. I was formerly using GitHub. I just found Bitbucket to be a lot easier to use, so again, we're going to use bitbucket.org. And then last but not least, we are going to push everything to Heroku. And Heroku is basically going to serve as a file server for us. So it's going to store all of our files and also be a web server for us as well. And when we're done, you should be able to upload your website. The website model that I'm going to be using here is this one right here, which is whatisthisSite.herokuapp.com. And as you can tell, as I click through, I have a multiple page website that was uploaded all entirely for free. So the first thing that I'm going to ask that you do is go ahead and create an account on Cloud9. So I'm going to go ahead and click sign up. And my desired username is going to be supertoby5. And my email, supertoby5@gmail.com. You can go ahead and fill in the rest of this information. I'm going to go ahead and pause the video, and then when I'm finished, we will catch back up. Okay, so after you create your account on Cloud9, it brings you to this page here. We're going to go ahead and click Go to Your Dashboard. And basically what a dashboard is a place for you to go ahead and access all of your different workspaces. Now what a workspace is, the best way to go ahead and make a connection here is to say that it's like a desktop. So it's going to be where you store all of your files. So I'm going to go ahead and create a new workspace. And I'll create a new workspace again. I'm going to select HTML5. And I'm going to call this HTML. So again, calling this HTML and selecting HTML5. Click Create. It takes a second, but if you refresh it, it should pop right up. It's still processing. So it's done processing. Once you click on your workspace, you can now click Start Editing. And it pops up a bunch of stuff here that we don't need to see, so I'm just going to go ahead and click this. I'll click a new file. Okay, so we're done with Cloud9 for right now. Next, let's go to Bitbucket and create our account there. So once you get here, go ahead and click Sign Up, and that's bitbucket.org. So I'm going to put my name as supertoby5. You'll have to accept the privacy policy. We don't need to do any of this, so we're just going to click No Thanks. So we're all set up here on Bitbucket, and then last but not least, we have to create a Heroku account. So click Sign Up once you're at Heroku.com. Okay, go ahead and fill in your information. And when you create a free account, it's going to ask you to check your email to confirm your account. So you should get an email from Heroku. You'll just go ahead and click on the email and click to confirm. and it'll ask you to set up a password. Make sure that you know all of your passwords. It's really vital to your success in this whole process. So I would recommend keeping the same all the way throughout. Okay, so now I'm all set up with all three of my accounts. I am ready to start.